Hello everybody, welcome to Marvelous Studio 21. Today we are going to make Krishna Chula for the occasion of Janmashtami. For this we require cardboard boxes, 5 old CDs, ice cream sticks, Krishna idol, glitter foam sheets, ribbons, PVA glue, scissors and craft cutters. I am taking a cardboard box of 31 cm into 18 cm and making window of 12.5 cm into 9 cm. Glue ice cream sticks to the sides of the windows. Cut the glitter sheet according to your box in which you are going to keep idol. I have used mobile case for this purpose. Make a hole to attach strings or ribbons. I am using ribbon of paper bags. Make sure both the ribbons are of equal length. I am using this ribbon because it doesn't require to tie any knots for this. If you have glue gun, then use it. It will be much more faster. I'm cutting CDs to different which looks like mirror. See? This is a satin cloth which I am using for making the jhula more comfortable for Krishna. Make 2 holes from which the strings will come out for hanging jhula. Attach any small stick like this to hold it. If you want to increase the height, then you can put something like this cap of bottles or sellotape, anything to increase the clearance space. See, I am using those mirrors which I cut from this CD. to decorate this chula. You can use anything, pearls, beads, mirrors, as you like to decorate the chula. I am using this cardboard piece to make upper part of jhula. I'll stick orange chart paper to it. I am using small bells for decoration purpose in front part of this jhula. I am using two-way tape to stick those sticks because it is faster. I am using this glitter tape to give it mirror decoration effect. I have attached half CDs to both sides of the window. One CD to the top and one CD to the sides, just to give it beautiful look. When a tiny piece of light also enters inside it, it will be lightened very beautifully. You can attach artificial flowers, leaves according to your wish and according to the size of cardboard you are having at home. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe Marvelous Studio 21 and please send your comments for any improvement in my videos. Thank you.